Easy to trade with 1-minute trading using this basic trading strategy that will satisfy you when trading with Olymp Trade platform. We achieved almost 90% profit in return with this trading method, thanks to our great indicator, the XProfit V2 indicator. Along with our trading strategy, we also used the basic RSI, or Relative Strength Index, with a period of 14. This helps us analyze when the best spot to trade is and make a winning trade. We received a sell alert signal for Euro AUD. As we can see, our RSI here is at the highest resistance level, which is the best spot to trade for a reversal, but we will confirm our 5-second candle first to see if it is reliable to trade. It creates a red candle bar going lower. It is the best position to trade and go for a lower. Make sure to have a 5-second candle to get the best trading result for our strategy. With a good trading strategy, let's trade with another currency pair and wait for its confirmation. Euro USD has a buy alert confirmation from our Metatrader 4. Let's check its current chart and price range. Euro USD is in a good spot to trade going higher. Let's follow its suggested signal, as our RSI also reached the lowest support level, creating a green candle going up. It is the best spot to trade higher within its perimeter settings. Good winning indicator for our 1-minute Olymp Trade trading. CAD JPY has a buy alert confirmation and presents a good trading spot to trade higher. Follow us for more strategies and the best indicators available in the market.
you.